My brother cleans his room every Saturday. The manager reviews reports every Friday. She washes her car on Sundays. Birds fly south in the winter. He has breakfast before leaving for work. The dog barks at strangers. I see my friends every weekend. The shop opens at 10 a.m. daily. He writes letters to his family every month. Our teacher gives us homework on Fridays. The baby sleeps a lot during the day. Tom and Jerry watches cartoons every morning. She polishes her shoes every evening. The farmer wakes early every morning. My friend learns a new language every year. Thanks for watching.